Hey y'all, it's me Tony. I'm gonna be trying to do something a little bit different. I am gonna start trying to record my process of what I do and be more consistent with it. First off, follow my Instagram, follow my
shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that.
TikTok, and follow my YouTube. Let's get straight into the video. So my client tomorrow will be getting a sew-in. So right now I'm going to be starting the process of the bleaching and lifting. She's going red, so to color her hair as well. So you'll see the whole entire process of the sew-in. But yeah, let's get started. This hair is from AM Hair. It's real nice and pretty. And tomorrow you guys will see the rest of the process. So yeah, let's get into it.
I don't like it when you like this. It ain't fun, but I won't fight it if I ain't the one. Cause there's more fish in the sea, more niggas like me. Don't even care if I just fell out of love. Sweep me off of my feet, bring me back to the street. Cause that's what it's going. If you don't know, I'm there. I'm sorry for the things I said last night. You said some things that I didn't like. I don't wanna argue with you. I wanna do this life with you. But I know what I mean.